paper cut into 5 inches by 8 inches sheets. A glue stick, 2 popsicle sticks, and tape. We're going to start by doing what is called an accordion fold. You want to fold your paper about the width of your popsicle stick. Then flip over and fold it again to the back. This is going to make a zigzag pattern and end up looking like an accordion. Try to make the folds as even as possible so that there's no overlap at the end. But of course, if there is, it's no big deal. We can definitely work with it. Folds out just like an accordion or a fan. We're going to do this with all 3 sheets of paper. You can see that I have chosen to color my papers 3 different ways, but you can always make any design, color choices, or pictures that you want. Sure to make those folds nice and tight so that they don't uncrimp when we're done. And that's it for the accordion folds. You can see I have an extra lip on the end, and that's totally okay. I'm just going to make sure it's really tight against the edge. I'm going to take each piece of paper one at a time and fold them in half. They should start looking like fans at this point, but we're going to make sure that fold is really tight. This is a good chance to really press down on the paper to make sure it's as flat as possible. Grab your glue stick, and we're going to glue the center pieces together. Fold it over so it sticks together, and doesn't come apart. Once all our paper has been glued together, we'll let them rest for a few minutes so they're completely dry. Don't forget to recap your glue. After a minute or two, you can take the fan pieces out from under your weight and test to make sure that the glue has dried. Then, rearrange the pieces into any order you would like. Now it's time to attach the fan together. Take each sheet of paper, and on the side that the papers will attach together, use your glue stick and squash them together. Do this with all 3 pieces. Once again, we want to make sure that the pages are flat, so we'll put them underneath our weight and recap our glue stick. Once our glue has had a chance to dry, take it out from under your weight and test it. We've got a fan. Now, I'm going to take a piece of regular Scotch tape and tape along the bottom of the paper, just to make sure that the papers stick together. Now it's time for the popsicle sticks. One at a time, we're going to glue our popsicle sticks to the outside pieces of our fan. Take the base of the popsicle stick and aim it for the top of the fan, while the top of the popsicle stick goes to the bottom of the fan. This is going to make sure that the fan is able to open and close securely. Make sure you press down on the popsicle sticks so the glue sets. Give it a nice squeeze, and if you want, you can put it back under your weight. dry by now. So go ahead and open up your fan. Give it an extra pinch to make sure the glue sticks. And show it off. I'm going to grab my tape and use it to keep the popsicle sticks together. You can also use a small rubber band so you can take it on and off, giving it the ability to fold. Isn't it pretty? Really great job, friends. Don't forget to send us photos of your paper fans on Instagram at the Well Special Day Program. Thanks so much for crafting with us today, and make sure you check back soon for more crafts and activities. From everyone here at The Well, we hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!